ngenxa ye-shock ke eyenzekalayo mawuzalwa thola ukuthi you have too much fire or less air or too much air less earth into kanjalo. These four elements, they just get themselves out of balance as because of that shock that is happening. So by what we will be doing today on the 22nd of January 2026, what we will be doing on YouTube, we will be performing what we call pranayama, the breathing techniques. They help to balance those elements in your body, and they also open the energetic channels that we call nadis, you see. So for the Holy Spirit or the Spirit to flow freely within your body, so for you to be guided. And it also helps in the what you call the extrasensory perception, the sixth sense. Okay, so also we'll be performing the mudras and mantras. So that is we are balancing, basically we will be balancing chakras. Chakras are main energetic points in your body, so each energetic point has its peculiar function. So if you are out of balance, different problems will show up in your life. So join us again at 7 p.m. but you need to be a channel member to be able to be part of that live session that we'll be having. What else? So basically that is the Sushumna. The Sushumna is the main channel. That there's an Ita, there's a Pingala, there's a Sushumna, where those main channels or main chakras align. So we'll be balancing those chakras. Those are two things that we'll be doing today, from today, the 22nd. Why I chose the 22nd? It's because of it's the Rave New Year. It's Rave Mandala or Rave New Year. According to the human design, we are at gate 41, the pressure, the start codon in the biogenetics, where a human being will want to experience different or new emotional experience. So yeah, that is why we are kicking. Maybe from today going forward, uzozizwa nje ufuna ukwenza izinto ezithile, you want to experience new things, you want to write what I'm going to do in 2026. You'll see like you want to shift things a little bit for yourself. So basically that's the energy that 41 will be ozofika nayo, ngoba ukunikeza nalento efantasy uthi ube umuntu ongazi ukuthi unefantasy kuyena, leyo fantasy ke egcine siba emotionally charged, uzibona usuba umuntu okuba ukuthi you unama desires and you wish to fulfill your desires. So that is why I chose the 22nd, because it perfectly aligns with the Rave New Year. So yeah, that's it. I think I've mentioned iskati, I've mentioned the date iskati 7 p.m. I've mentioned the dates, the 22nd of January 2026. From now, okay, from today, every Thursday and every Monday of every week will be live at 7 p.m. So you need to be a channel member. Okay? This is a way of like showing some appreciation, because channel members have been there without me like giving them anything. They've been there without me giving them all these things, all these perks, all these exercises. They've been there just volunteering, offering offering lokhu ngani umnikelo wabo without ukuthi be expect anything, mhlawumbe ukuthi ngibenzele yona ehlukile for bona. So yeah, it's that. So ukuthi ke khwelelweni ke noma ngingathini mhlambe ukubekezela kwenu nokuhlala kwenu nje nokunikela kwenu sekuze kwangenza ngawo umuntu ukuthi ke cha angazi ukuthi kungakhona kusami akwenzela ama members, njengoba ngikwazi ukuthi ngenza nje zonke izinto ngizenzela wonke umuntu. So nani ke your contribution doesn't go unnoticed. Siyabonga kakhulu.